Hello students, in our previous classes we have discussed till earthquake, its effects, causes. Now we are going to know about volcanoes. Hot, solid, liquid and gaseous materials are thrown out from the mantle of the earth onto the surface of the earth. This process is called volcanic eruption. During this process, ash, water vapor, various types of poisonous and inflammable gases, hot molten magma, etc. are thrown out. When the molten magma comes out on the surface, it is called lava. So that by this only you have come to know that what exactly volcano is. Nothing but hot, solid, liquid and gaseous materials are going to be get thrown out through fissures which are present below the surface of the land onto the surface of the land is called volcanoes. What are the materials those are going to rush out? Ash, water vapor, then different kinds of poisonous materials. Next to that, inflammable gases. That means easily fire caught gases are going to be get thrown out. And molten, very hot molten, that means melted magma is also going to be thrown out in the form of liquid, which is known as lava. For that we call it as a lava. On the basis of the type of eruption, volcanoes can be divided into following types. Two types of volcanoes can be get experienced. One, central type or conical volcano. During eruption, the molten magma comes out through a pipe-like vent inside the Earth's surface. The lava spreads around the mouth of the vent when it comes out. As a result, cone-shaped mountains start forming and conical volcanic mountains are formed. Mount Fujiyama in Japan and Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania are examples of central type volcanoes and conical mountains. See figure 2.16. So a beautiful picture is to be seen here given in the figure 2.16. This is actually central vent volcanic eruption. That means what happens? Particularly we are having gaps inside the earth too. So that through that gap can be get compared with that of a pipe-like structure. पाईपासारखा म्हणजे कट टू कट पाईपासारखा नाही, थोडाफार असं जागा असते, म्हणजे पाईपमध्ये कसे जागा असते बाहेर पडायला पाण्याला येऊन, तसंच इथे जमिनीच्या आतसुद्धा असं गॅप असतो. तर त्या गॅप थ्रू हे सगळं हॉट मटेरियल्स आर गोईंग टू रश आउट. त्यामुळे हे रश आउट होऊन वरती सरफेसवरती आल्यानंतर ड्यू टू दी ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स दे आर गोईंग टू बी गेट पुल्ड ऑन दी सरफेस ऑफ दी अर्थ. खूप रश आउट होत असतात, जास्ती उंचवरती तो रश आउट होत असतो सरफेसपासून. तर असा हा रश आउट होत असलेला गॅशियस फॉर्म नंतर लिक्विड सॉलिड सगळे परत काय असतात, गॅस तर सगळं स्प्रेड आउट होतो अँड नेक्स्ट मटेरियल्स आर गोईंग टू गेट स्प्रेड ऑन दी अर्थ. दे आर गोईंग टू बी गेट पुल्ड बाय दी ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स. त्यामुळे सरफेसवरती सगळं परत ते पडत असतो. So as a result, its effect is nothing but a creation of mountains which are having peaks. त्यामुळे असं फॉर्मेशन बघू शकतो. चित्रामध्ये दाखवलं कसं, तसं पीक्स आर गोईंग टू बी गेट सीन टू दी माउंटेन. So that this kind of central type are called conical volcanoes are to be seen due to such kind of rushing out of the materials. So that Kilimanjaro of Japan and Kilimanjaro, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and Fujiyama in Japan are two known such kind of central type volcanoes and conical mountains have been got created. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, भात ॲक्च्युली असं टाकत असताना कुठल्या प्रकारे आपण बघतो की फॉर्मेशन होतो, तसंच माउंटन्स आर गोइंग टू बी क्रिएटेड ड्यू टू दी several kinds of materials which have been got brought from the interior of the earth to the surface of the land. हे सगळं आतल्या वस्तू बाहेर येऊन पडले गेलेले आहेत. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला आगसुद्धा दिसून येतं. सो इन दिस मॅनर हिअर volcanoes are going to rush out. Next, second one is a fissure type volcanoes. During eruption, when the magma comes out not from a single vent but from many cracks or fissures, it is called fissure type volcanic eruption. नावामध्येच मीनिंग आहे. फिशर टाईप वॉल्कॅनोज म्हणजेच डिफरंट क्रॅक्स असतात. अर्चा ते क्रॅक्स पडलेले असतात. आपल्याला माहिती आहे क्रॅक्स कशामुळे क्रिएट होत असतात. सो थ्रू दोज क्रॅक्स or the fissures, actually magma is going to rush out to the surface of the land. If in such a form the volcanoes are going to burst out, then that is going to be get identified as a fissure type of volcano. As a result, volcanic plateaus are formed. The Deccan Plateau of India has also been formed due to such a type of volcanic eruption. See 2.17. See here this picture. In this manner, actually our Maharashtra's land has been got created. So as a result, only due to the magma which has reached to the earth, later has created the basalt rock, and basalt rock actually created black soil here for Maharashtra. हे महाराष्ट्र प्लॅटू आहे. ही प्लॅटू रिजन सुद्धा फिशर इरप्शनमुळे क्रिएट झालेली आहे आणि बाहेर पडलेला लावा कडक होऊन नंतर बसाल्ट रॉक झाला तो आणि बसाल्ट रॉक पावडर होताना ब्लॅक सॉईल क्रिएट होत असते. इन दिस मॅनर हियर वी इन महाराष्ट्र we are having black soil which is the creation of a fissure type of volcano. Always remember, according to the periodicity of the volcanic eruption, 3 types of volcanoes can be identified. If the volcanic eruptions are regular even in the present times, then such volcanoes are called active volcanoes. म्हणजे कंटिन्युअसली तिथे व्हॉल्केनो बस्ट आउट होतच असतो. तर असा असेल तर त्याला आपण ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉल्केनो असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, माउंट फ्युजियामा इन जपान, माउंट स्ट्रॉम्बोली इन मेडिटरेनियन सी. सो हे फ्युजियामाचे ॲक्च्युली काय असतं, सेंट्रल वेंट व्हॉल्कॅनिक इरप्शन आणि नाव अँड देन इट इज गोइंग टू बस्ट आउट. म्हणजे माहितीच असतं तिथे जगायला सेटल व्हायला कोण जाणारच नाही आहे. असा हा एक द्वीपसमूह आहे फ्युजियामा. When a volcano has not erupted since long but may become active suddenly, it is called a dormant volcano. For example, Mount Vesuvius in Italy. Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Katmai in Alaska and Barren Island, India. बघा आपण पण आहोत डोरमॅन्ट व्हॉल्केनो. म्हणजे रोज ते काही ॲक्टिव्ह नसते, कधीतरी सडन होऊन बस्ट आउट होतं. सो दॅट इज बॅरन आयलँड. डू यू नो वेअर एक्झॅक्टली बॅरन आयलँड इज? इट इज इन अंडमान अँड निकोबार आयलँड ग्रुप. पर्टिक्युलरली इन Andaman Island group, Barren Island is to be seen, which is known for a volcanic eruption. So dormant orb, active, next to that dormant, and those volcanoes which have not erupted in the past since long and are not likely to erupt in the future are called extinct volcanoes. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Means what exactly has been got said here? अगोदर ते व्हॉल्कॅनिक इरप्शन होत होता, पण आता तिथे व्हॉल्कॅनिक इरप्शन होणार नाही आहेत. ह्याला आपण एक्स्टिंक्ट म्हणजे संपलेले आहेत. व्हॉल्कॅनिक इरप्शनला तिथे जास्ती मॅटेरियल नसेल, त्यामुळे आज इरप्शन तिथे जास्ती प्रेशर क्रिएट होत नाही आहे, एनर्जी क्रिएट होत नाही आहे. म्हणून दे हॅव गॉट ॲक्च्युली नथिंग टू ब्रिंग ऑन टू दी सरफेस ऑफ दी लँड. ॲज अ रिझल्ट नेम माइट बी एक्स्टिंक्ट volcanoes. So that active, dormant and extinct volcanoes. In this manner, 3 types of volcanoes can be seen depending upon its depending upon its period through which it is going to be get observed. Make friends with maps. Read figure 2.18 and answer the questions. As a supplementary material to this exercise, take help from the globe or a physical map of the world. So for this, you students must go through the map given on the next page. See, here you are having the world map. So first and foremost, what you have to look into this. First, read out all the continents mentioned as well as plates mentioned. So green color print is of plates and black color bold letter print shows you the continents, and in the same manner oceans are present. Okay, plates and oceans present in this old arils on our earth, mother earth. What are the different kinds of plates present, different plates, sorry, different types, not different plates present, as well as continents, and next to that the ocean part. This is what you have to study. Next to that, you have to give importance for the 0-degree latitude which passes through South America, Africa. Okay, center of it, center of Africa, and to the north of South America it passes through. So that to its north we are having northern hemisphere, to its south we are having southern hemisphere. Next to knowing this much, you have to come to the index box. So index box, read carefully. Black line, plate consuming margins have been got marked. Next to that, blue line, plate creating margins, and box, or else I can say the lines which you are getting to see having dots, the dotted lines, earthquake zone has been got shown in that manner. And next to that, triangle volcanoes, what are the regions present in the earth which are known for volcanic eruptions. So with knowing this index, now easily you can read out this map, that what are the regions known for volcanic eruption, where plates are getting created, getting formed, and what are the plates present which are they are consuming margins, means still where this plate is to be seen. That's what you can understand with the help of this map. So this much, after studying all these things, you have to come to these questions, then only you can become able to answer this. This is most important work to be done on your map and graph book provided. So that read the questions relating to this map, you can answer there. Read figure 2.18 and answer the questions. As a supplementary material to this exercise, take help from a globe or a physical map of the world. Examine the plate boundaries in the given map and write the names of the plates. I have told you, letters green. On which side of the continent of North and South America are the earthquake prone zones located? Which mountains are located there? So that with the help of map only you can answer all this. So study well and go on answering. In which mountainous zone in Asia does the earthquake prone zone lie? Look about the map particularly and look into this, so that you are coming to know earthquake zone, where it is, which mountain is present to the north of India. Its name comes there. In which mountainous zone in Asia does the earthquake prone zone lie? So Asia is asked. Above India we are having earthquake zone, so that you can name the mountain. Okay, next to that, in which region are the volcanoes concentrated in Africa? What could be the reason? So that you must say the reason also. This is African continent. The question is, In which region are the volcanoes concentrated in Africa? What could be the reason? So in Africa, where exactly triangles can be seen? I have told you, give importance for even the central line or else the 0 degree latitude. That is nothing but your equator. So depending upon this, you have to say why here such kind of problem is present. Next to that, correlate earthquake regions, distribution to volcanoes and plate boundaries. So that depending upon these factors mentioned, you have to say that why volcanoes erupt, volcanoes come out and earthquakes are going to take place depending upon plate boundaries, distribution of volcanoes and earthquake. You have to actually explain that why exactly earthquake takes place, distribution of volcanoes have taken place, and also what kind of role is of plate boundaries. This is what. Now listen to the geographical explanation. By looking at figure 2.18, you will understand that plate boundaries are directly related to areas of earthquakes and volcanoes. By looking at figure 2.18, you will understand that plate boundaries are directly related area of earthquakes and volcanoes. Okay. Most of the volcanoes are located on the plate boundaries. Look about what has said. Most of the volcanoes are located on the plate boundaries. Similarly, the earthquake zones are also seen in the border areas. The parts of the plate boundary which slides under the crust subdues. Okay, the part of the plate boundary which slides under the crust subdues. This is there is a loss of material. Such boundaries are called plate consuming subduction boundaries. In areas where new material is coming up onto the Earth's crust, they are called plate creating or constructive boundaries. Both the processes happen continuously. They are shown in the map in figure 2.18. समजलं इथे आपण आता ब्लॉक माउंटन्स कसे क्रिएट होतात अँड रिफ्ट व्हॅलीज कसे क्रिएट होतात हे बघितलं आहे. हे सगळं आपल्याला लँडच्या वरती दिसून येतं. सरफेस ऑफ द लँडवरती आपण एक्सपिरियन्स करू शकतो. तसंच काय होतं आहे की इवन हा प्लेट्स सांगितलेल्या आहेत ते प्लेट्स ॲक्च्युली मुवमेंट होत असतात आणि काही वेळा बाउंड्रीवरतीच ते आयदर सबडक्शन होतात म्हणजे खाली जातात किंवा काही वरती येतात म्हणजे कन्स्ट्रक्शन होत असतं वरती येतात. असं झालं तरच आपण तेव्हा ॲक्च्युली हा प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस करू शकतो. दी पार्ट ऑफ द प्लेट बाउंड्री विच स्लाइड्स अंडर द क्रस्ट सबड्यूस, तो खाली जातो. सबड्यूस म्हणजे देर इज लॉस ऑफ मटेरियल. सच बाउंड्रीज आर कॉल्ड प्लेट कन्झ्युमिंग ऑर सबडक्शन बाउंड्रीज. याला आपण काय म्हणतो सबडक्शन बाउंड्रीज म्हणजे खाली गेलं सिंक झाले. In areas where new material is coming up onto the earth's crust, they are called plate creating or constructive boundaries. म्हणजे ह्या पाण्याचा लेवलपेक्षा वरती येत असताना दिसून येतात म्हणजे त्याला पुश करून वरती आणायला जात असतो फोर्समुळे. बोथ दी प्रोसेस हॅपन्स कंटिन्युअसली. म्हणजे हे एकदा ते होतं आणि एकदा हे सबडक्शन होतं आणि एकदा कन्स्ट्रक्शन होतं असं नाही. इट इज वन्स ॲट द सेम पिरियड ऑफ टाईम इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. काही ठिकाणी खाली गेलं की काही ठिकाणी ते वरती येत असतं. ओके, इन दिस मॅनर वी कॅन गेट टू सी द चेंजेस विच आर गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. त्यामुळे ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला हे सगळं दाखवलं गेलेलं आहे. Next to that, effects of volcanoes.